It's Saturday. Question of the day. What is one skill or craft that you would like to master? I've always had a fascination with calligraphy, probably because my handwriting is a constant work in progress since I was ever told by my father that you didn't need to have good handwriting because computers would take over. So I have really terrible handwriting. So it'd be really cool to learn calligraphy and just have that like refined look to my handwriting as well. I would consider that a skill and a craft that I would like to master. If you're coming to coffee at 9:30, we'll talk about it. So on that note, we're gonna get together at 9:30 to 10-ish for a Zoom. Come if you got coffee. We've had a lot of people show up, which is super awesome. We just kind of go around, talk about question of the day, shoot the shit a little bit. After we get done at 10, I did like going through the mobility with you guys, so we are going to do that again. So from 10 to about 10:30, we'll rock out through some FRC-based mobility. This week, I'm going to target a little bit further down the chain, so we'll go up to the shoulders, and then we'll also work a little bit towards the ankles as well. So just to expose you guys a little bit more to that style of moving your joints around. Awesome, I like it. Moving into the workout itself. Here's what you guys are gonna do. Tabata, alternating between high knees and a hollow body hold, okay? Something that I would highly suggest, I know I've suggested this in the past, it's like a broken record. Scale it down, okay? The hollow body it's really cool to be able to hold a full hollow. That being said, it's also really cool to max your snatch. But you don't do that every single day. And a lot of the times I feel like we get caught up in like maybe 20 seconds is our max hollow body hold. So we shouldn't do a Tabata like that, right? Take it down to 70%, pull a leg in, reach the arms back down. The only thing I really want you to focus on is drawing your pubic symphysis, or the middle front of your pelvis, towards your sternum, your xiphoid process, and trying to bring those 2 points together so that your lower back is really, really planted against the ground, okay? Outside of that, I don't really care what you do for your hollow body. As long as those things are happening, we're in business. Other part of that is high knees. So rock out through some high knees just to get your heart rate up. If you want to switch those with butt kickers in there, it's up to you. Cool. When you get done there, we've got some ballistic leg swings. So if you've ever seen Zeus warm up in the corner, he does these a lot. You're just going to swing your legs front to back and then side to side. 20 reps on each movement for each leg. Okay, just get the hips open a little bit. And then we've got some specific running prep, because there's going to be some running regardless of whether you have a machine or not today. 3 rounds, 30 seconds alternating A skips. Okay, that's probably the most similar to a real skip, kind of, but you can watch Joe fumble around it on the video at some point during this B-roll. 30 seconds of mountain climbers, 30 seconds of pike ups, and then 30 seconds of rest, rotating on. All right, Metcon, here's what we're gonna do. If you are by yourself, here's the version of the WOD you're gonna do. Every 4 minutes on the 4-minute for 5 rounds, 20-minute workout, you're gonna do a 200-meter run, cool? And then either a 15-12 calorie bike or row, or 15 on each side of a Bulgarian split squat jump, okay? And then 12 burpees to a target. If you did burpees yesterday with the Georgie WOD, then I would go ahead and rock out 12 hollow rocks instead, just so you're not doing that many burpees. Cool. If you have a partner, awesome. We're gonna do 10 rounds, round for round style. So in the end, it'll be the same amount as the individual version, or same amount of volume, same movement, same reps, but you're just gonna do it you go, I go. So if Joe's doing it with me, he's gonna go run 200, he's gonna rock out 15 calories, he's gonna do 12 burpees, and then boom, I'm gonna do the same thing. 200-meter run, 15 calories, 12 burpees, just a little bit slower because he's fit. He's very fit. If you got extra time, we've got some Dragon Flag scales for Luke Vogelsang himself. And then 10 explosive V-ups just to get some core in there. If you guys do rock out the Dragon Flags, make sure that your toes are pointed and your quad is squeezed really hard. You really want a straight leg and a straight body for these. We're trying to get tension from shoulder all the way to the tip of the toe. Okay, we're not just working the abs. We want the entire anterior chain to be activated and coordinated for this. So regardless of how you scale it, make sure that that's the focus. Awesome. That's all we've got. We'll talk a little bit tomorrow for Sunday. And did I do question of the day? I did. You guys have a good weekend.